Hello everyone, welcome back to the Teaching Hybrid Workshop series for Associate Instructor, grad students, and postdoc. In this video, we're going to discuss what is active learning. Let's look at what experts suggest about active learning first. Students must do more than just listen, they must read, write, discuss, or be engaged in solving problems. Most important to be actively involved, students must engage such higher order thinking tasks as analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. Students produce learning and where instructors elicit students' discovery and construction of knowledge, create powerful learning environments, and improve the quality of learning. So what do these two descriptions have in common? First, active learning involves teaching techniques that are something other than straight lecture. Active learning is not an entire project or assignment but a much smaller task you give your students. However, a project or assignment can have several active learning pieces within it. In order to consider something active learning, students must be doing something including discovering, processing, and applying information, not just listening to a lecture or reading a PowerPoint. So in an active learning environment, students do not receive knowledge passively, but rather discover and construct knowledge through activities. Active learning can take many different forms, and instructors often use different strategies in face-to-face or online classes due to different approaches to teaching and learning. For example, in the classroom, an instructor might ask students to turn to their neighbor and discuss a particular topic. While this alone is active learning, you can also add to the exercise by asking each group to present their findings to the class in the form of a standard presentation. In an online course, the same exercise can be accomplished using a discussion thread, document sharing, or instant messaging system. Again, this alone can be considered active learning, but you can add to the exercise by having students present their findings or comments using an online discussion forum such as Piazza. The idea between these two examples are the same, even though the approaches are different. Research has shown students retain 70% of what they say and write, and retain 90% of what they do. Compare this with the fact that students retain only 10% of what they read and 20% of what they hear. You will understand why active learning is so important. Please watch our next video to see some examples of active learning. Thank you for watching.